Okay, so the first one to ask, be quick. You can put on the chat. I'll just unmute you. Whoever is having any doubt, put on the chat. Yeah, Karthik.
Sir, 1 pound is equal to how many kg?
What?
Pound is equal to how many kg?
1 pound. 1 pound is roughly, you can say. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
It is approximately, you can something around 0.4, 0.5, nearly to half, you can say.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Any other doubt? Shivesh. Yeah, Shivesh.
Sir, can you explain example 1 and 11th?
Example 1. Okay. Which was example 1? We did in questions. Yeah, Shivesh. You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
When we say light year is the distance traveled by the speed of light in 1 year. So the speed of light, we know it is 3 into 10 to the power 8.
Yes, sir.
And 1 year is, you can just multiply 365 into 24 into 3600.
Yes, sir.
So if I multiply both the quantities, I will get the light year value. What is your 1 light year in terms of meter? Then that value you can multiply by 3.2.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Or should I write it down over here? Similarly, what is 1 year? See, 1 year, 1 solar day. 1 solar day is nothing but your 1 day. 1 day is your 24 hours.
Yes,
So
sir.
24 into 3600 will give you value in terms of seconds.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah, Shaurya.
Sir, can you give some more numericals based on this?
Conversion units.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll just give some examples. Let us check if anyone has any doubt, or else I will give certain examples. Arpit, amount of substance unit is mole, MOL in unit form and MOLE in full form. I can just show you the slide if you want, where I just given the unit of mole. Say this one. This unit of amount of substance. Arpit. Candela is a unit of luminous intensity. I had just used the same sequence. So see, it is given over here. The last one, luminous intensity. So candela is the unit of luminous intensity. Amit. Any other? Yeah, Saumil. Yeah, Saumil. Saumil, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you didn't attend the first class, you're saying?
No, sir.
So have you just cross-checked with your recording?
No, sir.
Achha, you haven't went through the recording yet?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So just do one thing. You can just ask the respective teacher for the recording of this class, the first class. Just go through that once because I've explained the entire chapter. Sorry, entire
Okay,
part which was taught. After that, you can ask the doubt in the next session also. Not a
Okay,
problem.
sir.
Yeah, but first you have to
Okay,
go
sir.
through the recording once.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. One horsepower is 746 watts. Aryan. Yeah, Vansh, what is your doubt? You want the definition of it?
Yes, sir.
Luminous intensity, you can say, I just told na, that whatever the intensity of light, luminous means light. So that intensity we are going to measure in terms of wavelength because light is a form of a wave which has a certain wavelength. So when you measure its wavelength in a particular direction, the measure is called as luminous intensity. You can also call it as the sensitivity of an eye.
Sir, can you repeat?
Luminous intensity, you can say it is the measurement of the wavelength of the light. Means what is the power of that wavelength. You can also term to as the sensitivity of the human eye because human eye is going to sense it. Luminous is light, intensity is nothing but its magnitude. Yeah, Vansh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Aryan? Aryan, you can hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, Aryan, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When we say Gauss, na, Gauss is actually the CGS unit of electric field intensity.
CGS unit of what?
Electric field intensity. Electric intensity. Nothing but if you have an electric field in which the charges get repelled or attracted.
Yes.
Okay. So that time, how much force of attraction or repulsion is acted on another charge. That ratio is called as electric intensity, force per unit charge. And that electric intensity is measured in terms of unit called as Tesla. So Tesla is your SI unit And in CGS form, it is called as Gauss.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Yeah, Arpit, what you written this? I didn't get you. 10 raised to Arpit. Arpit, can you hear me? I'm not getting what you exactly wrote. Ten 10 raised to plus minus 24 comma 24. Arpit, I cannot hear you. So once you got the answer, what I type? Any other? Okay, so Arpit, you are asking what is 10 to the power plus 21 plus 24 minus 21 minus 24, right? So I will just write over here if you want. So 10 to the power 21, it is called as zeta. Similarly, 10 to the power 24 is called as iota. Then 10 to the power minus 21, it will be called as zepto. And 10 to the power minus 24, it is called as yocto. Yeah, Arpit, I've written over here for your reference. You can just write it somewhere. Yeah, any other doubt? Smallest part of a second. Yeah, you can go for 1000 part, nanosecond, millisecond, microsecond. So all the 10 to the power minus values can be represented for seconds also. Once pressure is the quantity, Pascal is its unit. Yeah, nano or pico also you can say. Nano will be 10 to the power minus 9. Pico will be 10 to the power minus 12. Shaurya. Any other? Okay, so there are something which is asked. Yeah, Somil, you can just represent like all the table values which we had. I'll just show you the table ones. Yeah, all the small. So you can have millisecond, microsecond, nanosecond, picosecond, femtosecond, attosecond. So all these are your conversion units which to be multiplied. Okay, Aryan. Yeah, there is a derived unit where candela is used, which is called as luminance. Luminance is nothing but intensity per unit area. That is candela per meter square. Yeah, Aryan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ampere per second is nothing, Vansh. Ampere second is charge. Arpit, okay, 1, 4, and 11. First one is 3.2 light year, means nothing but speed of light. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 1 year. 1 year will be nothing but 365 days into 24 hours into 3600. If you multiply all the quantities, you'll get the value of 3.2 light year. Similarly, next was fourth question. Acha, 1 Fermi. Now, when we write 1 Fermi, so 1 Fermi is nothing but represented as your 10 to the power minus 15 divided by, then you can go for giga. Now, when we talk about giga, giga is your 10 to the power 9. So the answer will be 10 to the power minus 24. Yeah, repeat. And even you need the 11th one. So for the 11th one, you can say it is one mean solarity, nothing but 24 hours. So 24 hours, that is 1 day into 3600 to convert into seconds. Yeah. Any other doubt? It's a question 2. 1.2 meter in angstrom. So your angstrom is nothing but your 1 angstrom is actually equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So just reverse it. So we can say your 1 meter will be equal to 10 to the power 10 angstrom. So 1.2 meter will be, the final answer is 1.2 into 10 to the power 10. Yeah, Dhruv, that is your answer. Should I clear the screen? Because Shaurya needs A is angstrom. Saumil. Yes, Saumil, Aryan, I didn't get you exactly what you want.
Sir, which app you are using so that we can use in on our computer?
Acha, no, I'm not using any app. Like that is your PowerPoint presentation, na? So whatever I'm
Okay,
typing, that is on Anotions.
PowerPoint.
Yeah, PPT, Microsoft Word PowerPoint.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, Saumil, you need the sixth one. So E is nothing but your exa, and exa is 10 to the power 18 upon you need micro. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6. So the answer will be 10 to the power 24. Yeah, sure, I am giving. Yeah, Saumil, clear? Yeah, Vanch,
Sir, what is the difference between mean solar day and a solar day?
it's the same.
It's the same.
Mean nothing but we take an average value because it keeps varying. No?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arpit.
Sir,
Uh,
in prefixes, we take the prefix with respect to meter, which is the SI unit.
yeah.
Mass, we should also take kilogram. We are taking here gram.
Where we are taking gram?
In sixth question, 1 hexagram and which is equal to microgram.
So that is nothing but a conversion of gram, na? So that's okay. I just need a conversion, na? 1 hexagram to 1 microgram. So they are not asking me any standard. So all the answers should have been in meter or kg like that. It's not at all respect to your standard form here. Just they need to convert the units from one form to another. Yeah, Arpit? That rule we follow when it is your calculations, numericals, when you give the final answers.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, so Shaurya needs some more questions, so I'm just giving some few of them. So the first one, what is your 1 terasecond into mean solar day? Yes, Yes, what is the answer? Okay, so Shivesh got the answer. This is Shivesh answer. Okay, Shreya. Okay, so Aryan is getting any one answer, dear. This is Aryan. Yes, Shreya, I'm just checking. Let's see. Now, Shreya, your answer and Aryan answer. You can see there is a bit variation. Any other answer? Vansh. Which I'll just check once. So we can say 1 tera. So 1 tera is nothing but 10 to the power 12. And then 1 mean solar day. Yes, right, it's okay, not a problem. And if I go for 1 mean solar day, that is 24 into 3600, which is your 86,400. So this is the answer. So here it should be 10 to the power 12 upon 86,400. It's approximately how much? So into the power 6. This is the answer. Not 6, it should be 7. This is the answer. 1.15 into 10 to the power 7. I'm just giving the next one. So now let us convert your 1 attometer in terms of hexameter. Yeah, Arpit, you need 4th question. Acha, 1 Fermi. Fermi to giga. So in that case, the Fermi was 10 to the power 15, minus 15. and then giga was 10 to the power 9. So that 9 will become minus 9 in the numerator to give you the final answer as 10 to the power minus 24. Yeah, repeat, that is for you. This part is for you. Arpit, is it clear? Kindly reply me on the chat if you understood it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the answer. Okay, so Shreya is saying 10 to the power minus 36. Arpit is saying 10 to the power 32. Okay, we have one more answer. Okay, that is Dhruv. This is Shaurya. Okay, so Shaurya and Arpit are on the same pitch. What about the others? There are 14 people. Okay, once you are getting a very, how come you are getting a decimal value, Vansh? Vansh, why are you getting a decimal? Is it for the second one or first one you are trying? Vansh?
The second one.
Acha. Yeah, but second one you should get in terms of 10 to the power something, not in decimal form. Okay, so Aryan is also getting, Aryan is getting 10 to the power 36. Okay. Sawmill 10 to the power 32. Okay. Arpit, is it minus 32 or 32? Arpit, you had given 10 to the power 32 or 10 to the power minus 32? So I'll just try to solve this once. Or else, yeah, Shreya. Shreya, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Chalo batao, how you got?
So 1 attometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 18 meter.
Okay, then?
And 1 hexameter is equal to 10 raised to the power 18.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will be minus 18 and minus 18. That should be equal to 10 to the power minus 36. Yes, you're correct. Thank you. Okay, so 10 to the power 32 is not right. I don't know how come you all got 10 to the power 32. Just recheck once. Yeah, Shaurya. How come it was 32? You just cross-checked it? Okay, okay, no problem. So I got it. Just remember the sheet. Remember that table. I'm just giving the next question. So now, so one of you can give me. The one who is very much quiet, Sushant. Yes, Sushant, you can hear me? Sushant, you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just give me one question. Just randomly say anything related to your various table values.
Sir, sorry, this is my first class. I have today only take my admission.
Okay, chalo, so sorry. Since my pick was a bit incorrect. Not a problem. So anyone who can give me one tough question by preparing of their own. Shreya, can you give one?
So just 2 minutes.
Okay, get. I'll just give you a chance for the next question then. Okay, Vansh is ready with the question. Okay, Vansh, just tell.
Sir, 1 AM is equal to how many UM?
1 AM is how many?
UM.
How many?
UM.
I didn't get in which form you need to convert.
Sir, in UM.
Acha mu m. Okay, fine. Means you're talking about micro m, right? Okay, so people tell me. I'll just change the symbol a bit. So it should look like micro. Okay. Okay, sure. Here, I will just give you a chance. We'll just take this as the next one. Yeah, what about the third one? Answer. One atometer is how much micrometer? Even the Shaurya is ready with this question. Okay, so Thakarshi is saying 10 to the power minus 24. Shivesh 10 to the power minus 24. Okay. Any other answers? So I've got two answers till now. Shivesh and Thakarshi both are saying it's 10 to the power minus 24. Any other answer? Okay, Dhruv is saying it can be 10 to the power minus 21. Okay, so Aryan is ready with the next question. Shreya, it's a bit similar to fifth one. Just try something different. Acha, Shivesh is saying 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, one more answer we have. Question is also ready by Shiv, who gave by Aryan. Okay, so what is the answer for third one? Tanishka, you can hear me? Tanishka, you there? Riya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So can you help me out with the third one? Answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me what it will be.
Sir, 10 to the power minus 12 is the answer.
Yes. Okay, how you got that 10 to the power minus 12?
Sir, 10 to the power minus 18 upon 10 to the power minus 6.
Okay, so that will come at around minus 12,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, you're
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Yes, you're right. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we got the answer for your third one. What about the fourth question? Yeah, Takeshi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Fourth one.
Sir, fourth one, I have got the answer as 10 to the power minus 15.
So you got answer as 10 to the power minus 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're correct. So your fourth question answer is, it's direct, 10 to the power minus 14. Sorry, minus 15. Now what about the fifth question? Karthik? You can hear me? Yeah, Karthik? Am I audible to you? Vansh?
Sir,
Yeah, what is the answer for fifth one?
I don't know the answer.
Which you don't know? Okay. Yeah, Karthik, you can just tell me in the chat what is the answer for fifth question? Okay, so Aryan got some answer. So as per Aryan, it is 100 PM, 100 pico. Any other answer? Okay, Tanishka is also saying it's. Tanishka, can you tell me how you got? Should I unmute you? Yeah, Tanishka, can you give me the solution of it? Okay, Shreya is also 100. Aryan is also 100. Okay, Aryan, how you got 100?
Sir,
Hmm.
1 angstrom equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter.
Okay,
And it is divided by picometer, so it is 10 raised to minus 12.
10 to the power 12.
Minus
Minus 12. Okay, so final answer will be 10 to the power.
2.
Okay. Okay, chalo, correct. That's right. Okay, so Shreya is ready with some question. So I'm just clearing this entire thing. Okay, so now we can go with the question of Shreya. Okay, so 1320 minute is how much iota seconds? So this is the question by Shreya. Yeah, sure, you just type the question. I'll just unmute you. Just this question we can solve and I will unmute you. Okay, so Vansh got some answer. Shreya, you itself got your answer. Okay, the Shreya answer is also ready. Aryan and Arpit. Okay, Aryan and Arpit are getting the same answer as 7.92 into 10 to the power minus 20, minus 24. Acha, Shreya, you change your answer. Now you're saying it is minus 24, minus 20. Okay. Acha, it is the same. Okay. Acha, you wrote in the standard form. Okay, so Karthik is also ready with his question. Next, seventh one. Shivesh is also getting same as Shreya. Okay, 7.92 into 10 to the power minus 20. Any other answer? Okay, Aryan is also getting the same. Shivesh, have you got your answer?
Sir,
Yeah.
1 femtosecond equal to 10 to the power of minus 24. And after that, I have multiplied 1320 into 60.
Okay.
And then 10 to the power of minus 24. From that, I got that answer.
Okay. Okay, so you kept in 10 terms of 10 to the power minus 24, then you converted in terms of minus 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means the final answer is 7.92 into 10 to the power minus 20, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, that's correct. Yes, what about the seventh one? Okay, Arpit got the answer 10 to the power 33. Okay. Okay, so this is your Arpit answer. Any other answer? So we are ready with one more question by Somil. Oh, Somil, you are just increasing the calculation now. That's great. Okay, so Aryan is also saying 10 to the power 33. Shreya is also ready with 10 to the power 33. Any other answer? Yeah, Shreya, quickly tell me how you got it. Shreya, you there? Hey, Shreya.
Hello.
Hello, mic check. You there?
Hello.
Yeah, you there? I can hear you.
So are you able to hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear
Yeah.
you.
So 1 EM is equal to 10 raised to the power 18 meters.
Okay. Then?
And 1 femtometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 15 meters.
Okay. So the answer will be?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, Shreya, you can. What will be the final answer?
Hello.
Yeah, Shreya.
हेलो नेट ही नहीं चल रहा आवाज नहीं आ रही
Yeah, Shreya, you can keep on saying. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Okay, fine. So the answer for this, it will be 10 to the power 3. Then how come it will be 33? Because xi is 18. M2 is not 15, it should be minus 15. Okay. Yeah, correct, Shreya. Then it will be 33. Yes, you're right. Okay, so answer is 10 to the power 33. What about the 8th question? Okay, Aryan is ready with the answer. Okay. Okay, so Aryan is saying 1.664 into 10 to the power 26. Arpit is saying 1.482. Okay, Shivesh has got even something different. Okay, Dhruv, can you please multiply that? Once just complete the question. What is 1478? What is after 1478 that you complete? Okay. Yeah, Dhruv, what is the final answer? Vansh has also given one question. Acha, minute to meter you cannot, Vansh. We need to take second over here. Okay, so ninth answer. Okay, so Shivesh, Dhruv. Chalo Dhruv, tumhi bata do what should be the answer. Yeah, Dhruv, have you got that? Can you hear me, Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me how you got that answer.
Sir, I multiplied 2470 into 60 into 10 to power minus 21.
How minus 21?
Sir, seconds.
So that should be upon, na? So it should be 10 to the power 21.
Yes.
Hai na?
Yes.
Means you can say instead of multiplication, I can put here division. And then Zepto can be written as minus 21, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that answer then it ends up to what?
Then it ends up to 24.7 into 6 into 10 to power minus 23.
Is 1.482.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Into 10 to the power 26.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Okay, what about the ninth one? Acha, Aryan got the answer. Shivesh, you are getting very small answer compared to Aryan. This is Aryan's answer. And this is Shivesh. Any other answer? Yeah, it's seconds over here. Yes. Shreya, something different. 1.478 into 10 to the power 21. Any other answer or any other person? Okay, not a problem, dear. You can convert into seconds and just tell me it again. Okay, so Dhruv has got the answer. Okay, so into 6 into 10. Acha. Dhruv wants me to multiply by 6. Yeah, Dhruv. Acha, so Thakarshi is getting the same answer as the first one. Vansh is ready with another question. Vansh should make one worksheet now. Okay, Shaurya is getting same as Dhruv. Okay. Okay, Shaurya, so just tell me how it can be same as Dhruv as per your calculations. Shaurya, can you hear me? Shaurya, you there? Yeah, Shreya.
So first we'll convert 1478 minutes into seconds,
Hmm.
multiplied by 60.
Okay.
Yeah, then
Then yeah, Shreya.
yeah, so then 1 second is equal to 10 raised to the power 18 attoseconds. So
Okay.
we'll multiply it by 10 raised to the power 18.
Okay. So the final answer you end up to
So that's same 8.868 into 10 raised to the power 22.
20,
2.
22. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shreya. Okay, so we got this answer also. Okay, so the last question, 10th one. Acha, so Shivesh got the first answer. Acha, no problem, Shaurya. Aryan got the another answer. Aryan, Shivesh, lot of difference in the 10 power value. Any other answer? Yeah. Thakarshi 8 point. Okay, it's same. Okay, fine. It is same as Aryan. Shreya is also same as Aryan. Okay, fine. Shaurya didn't get you what you're saying. So in 9th one, okay, you took 10 to the power 28. Okay, not a problem. So just a small mistake. Okay. Acha, Dhruv is getting something different. Dhruv, I said your answer should be in standard form. Okay, Arpit is getting the same as the second one. Dhruv, can you hear me? Dhruv, can you hear me? Arpit? Arpit?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer for this 10th one. How to solve?
Sir, we will convert first hours into second. We
That
get
will be
248 into 60 into 60
okay
upon 10 to the power minus 21.
into 10 to the power minus 21. Okay, fine. So that will be equal to what?
That will be equal to 8928 into 10 to the power 23. Then we convert into standard form and we get the answer.
Okay, so standard form is it should be 8.928, right?
Yes,
Okay, so if I put a decimal over here, so the power will become 10 to the power 26, correct? Okay, thank you, Arpit. Yeah, Dhruv, I go. Yes, so can we end the meeting? Any doubt? Still, any people? Anyone?